What is a network interface controller, NIC? The network interface controller is a computer hardware component that connects a computer to a computer network. NIC is also known as a network interface card, network adapter, LAN adapter, or physical network interface, and by similar terms. The network controller implements the electronic circuitry required to communicate using a specific physical layer and a data link layer standard such as Ethernet or Wi-Fi. NIC provides a base for a full network protocol stack, allowing communication among small group of computers on the same local area network and large-scale network communications through routable protocols such as Internet Protocol, IP. The NIC allows computers to communicate over a computer network either by using cables or wirelessly. The NIC is both a physical layer and data link layer device, as it provides physical access to a network medium and for IEEE 802 and similar network standards. Provide a low-level addressing system through the use of MAC address that are uniquely assigned to network interfaces. In mid-80s, Tim Rock, Richard Bennett, Pat Thaler, and another developed StarLAN, the basis of 5-basenet Internet. In 1981, 3Com built the first 10 megabits per second Ethernet adapters. The first NIC meet was organized at Jackson Hole in 1996 by Tony Zador. Since 2000, NIC meet has been held outside the USA in Europe on even-numbered years. The early network interface controllers were commonly implemented on expansion cards that plugged into a computer bus. The low cost and ubiquity of the Ethernet standard means that most new computers have a network interface built into the motherboard. Modern network interface controllers offer advanced features such as interrupt and DMA, direct memory access interfaces to the host processors. Support for multiple receive and transmit queues, partitioning into multiple logic interfaces, and on-controller network traffic processing such as the TCP, Transmission Control Protocol, offload engines. NIC major manufacturers are Intel, D-Link, Linksys, HP, Roswell, and TrendNet.